Hi, this is Dan Weedin. I'm a nationally recognized insurance expert, and today we're going to talk about cheap car insurance for young drivers. And I'm going to look at this from two angles. Number one is I'm going to look at it from the young driver's perspective, and then number two, I'm going to look at it from the parent's perspective. If you're a young driver and you have to pay for your own insurance, you're looking to probably pay the least amount of insurance possible. The reality is that your insurance is going to be based on your age. There's nothing you can do about that, but it's also going to be based on how well you drive, or if you are a brand new driver, what your grades are. So the better your grades, if you have a higher than 3.0 grade point average, and that's for most companies, you're going to get a good student discount, and that's going to keep your insurance down by as much as 35%. That's significant. So that's one way you can keep your rates down and keep your insurance cheap. You're going to have some minimum requirements by the state, and you might have some requirements on the car you're driving if you have a loan. The higher the deductible you go, that means more out of pocket for you, the cheaper it's going to be. Now parents, some of you have young drivers coming on to your insurance policy, and you're worried about all of those years of not paying much insurance. Now it's gone up. Well, the one thing you can't control is the age of your driver, so that is automatically going to have it go up. However, if they are a safe driver and you work with them on that, and if they keep their grades really good, even through college, it's not just high school, but even through college, if you still have them on your policy, that will have the biggest impact on their rates. The other thing that will impact it is the car they drive. I recommend for parents, I've been there, getting a vehicle that's safe, but maybe a little bit older. The newer vehicles are going to cost you much more on the physical damage. So if you can get a safe, older vehicle for your kid to drive while they're in high school or in college, you're going to pay less on insurance for that as well. This is Dan Weedin, and today we've talked about cheap car insurance for young drivers. Thanks for watching.